Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Agari and me with me being Agari and you guys being the me part because you guys are joining me in this journey called life. And today for life, I'm actually going to be doing the unboxing of the Baby Trend travel system in Meridian. But this is called the TANGO version. I don't know. I picked it out on Target and my sister, Carla, she was actually nice enough to buy it for us. We have it here, and if you guys don't have a partner who's going to be doing this with you guys, I do, because I make my husband do everything. So I'm going to be the nice person recording while he actually unboxes and takes this out. I am making him do this because we have now bought in the crib. This is where our crib is going to be located. And so he needs to unbox this and put it in the car so that we can put the crib here. So this one I specifically chose because it comes with the car seat and the stroller. Rosie, get on one. Sit down. So this is the car seat and the base. Again, Meridian color, which is like a green. What is this?
Green turquoise.
Yeah, like a turquoisey color. It's so beautiful, actually. I really like it. Okay, so this is the stroller right here, and he didn't watch the YouTube video with me, so I hope he knows how to put it together. If not, I'll just give him instructions.
Where are the wheels?
Broski, you have to put in the wheels. They're not in. Oh. They're in there.
Okay.
That's like glass. Those are like accessories. And here we have the big sister to be. Hi. Zena Wing. I want to show you guys. So I am actually 36 weeks pregnant. For those that don't know weeks, I'm 9 months pregnant. And next week I'm going to be 9 months and 1 week. So I'm hoping after that it's show on the road, guys. That's why I'm making him do all of this, because I'm trying to have my child now. And if none of this is ready, then what's the point of having my child now? If I'm going to be in a rush, I'm going to be behind, I'm going to have nothing together. So make him do it, girls. Make him do something. We wash all the clothes, organize all the diapers, all the wipes, everything together. We take care of everything after the baby shower. They got to do something. Make them do this. Make them install it in the car. But yeah, let's go. Keep going with the unboxing. So he seems to be figuring that out pretty quickly. I think you put the wheels on backwards. Oh, because that black thing is going on the inside.
Bruh.
I don't know. It does. It said in the video. You see, when the wheels are like this, you got the silver parts showing when they're supposed to be the black parts. Ooh.
So which one's which?
So this one goes on that one and that one goes on this one.
No, it's the safety zone.
No, babe, you put it backwards. The wheels are supposed to go the other way.
How?
I just told you
No,
how.
no.
Babe.
Arby, they swirl.
But when they, look, stop swirling.
How are you supposed to put...
Stop. When they go like that wheel, when they're facing like that, they're supposed to be the black part on the other side. I watched the YouTube video. I'm not telling you to make it up. Look, when the wheels are like that, this is forward facing. And you put them inside out.
We can't take them off.
Push them in and you had to listen to me the first time.
It doesn't matter. It's just this.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Keep going. Oh my gosh. This is like an unboxing gone wrong.
No, it's not. What's wrong with the wheels?
It's just aesthetic.
Okay, go look at it. Look at it all the time. Every time you're like pushing the damn thing, be like, oh my god.
You're being dramatic. Hurry up and finish it. You see, guys, never mind. Don't get yourself out for like me. When you boys are so dramatic. Oh, I did, because I have one living with me.
Who knew you were so whack? There you go. Let me test it out.
Dude, seriously? Oh my.
Yeah, it works.
Get out.
This might be my new gaming chair.
Okay, so now you get to put those things on it. The accessories.
No.
When you want. Right here, squeeze. There you go. And you have yourself a stroller. And you have yourself a stroller and an ugly boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yes, guys, this is a very professional unboxing video, as you guys can see. Now fold it up so you can put it in the car.
Well, let's go film this in the car.
Oh my god.
Like, I'm gonna throw it in there already.
Couldn't really see that though. Hi guys, so here's our ride, our family SUV. And we did literally clean out our car for the first time in like 4 years for this. And you didn't vacuum it.
Yes, I did.
There's sand in there. Now we're gonna put it away. Do you know how to put it away? No. 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 You just pull the strap. Right here. No. Dude, I said you pulled this strap. It says, yes, pull strap. There you go. You just pull the strap and it's put away. Couldn't really see that though. Here is the stroller. Put away. But look at our trunk. We have a, what, 99 Toyota? And look at this trunk space, guys. This fits and there's room to spare. And this is my hospital bag, which we already put in here. Our change of clothes and everything, and my paperwork I'm going to be needing. So the only thing we have left is the installation of the base. You can't separate the base and the chair. I said you can't. You see, guys, that's why you should watch the YouTube videos that
Yeah. Look, I already figured it out. I already gonna do it. So guys, so you grab your little base thing and you smash it inside. And you want to make sure the kid is on this side because you don't want to see his ugly face when he's crying. Right?
He's kidding. Babe, why can't you just make a mommy vlog with me? You have to be making your little... You say those things in your videos.
Oh, I got child. It's okay.
You're putting it on backwards.
Rear of vehicle.
Oh, good job. But it has those clips on it. Right here.
Our car doesn't.
Oh, our car doesn't have for the clips?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Should you look? You should look first. You have to look inside, like deep inside. No, it's gonna be back here. And you're right, it doesn't. So our car is really old, so apparently it doesn't have really good safety stuff going on. So we used the seatbelt method. Does it move?
Nope.
It scoots.
Yeah, but that's the best I can do.
There, that's really tight. There we go.
You grab your baby.
Babies go backwards facing.
And you go like this, very gently.
Yeah, you did it gently and it went in after trying to force it in. But yes, guys, babies are supposed to go that way facing or backwards facing until they're like 40 pounds. You're supposed to try to keep them in the car seat for as long as possible. But thank you guys for watching. I know this was a disastrous unboxing slash installing into the car. That's what happens. I don't know. This husband, at least he helped. But thank you guys for watching. Again, this is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, because you guys are joining me on this journey called life, where today we unboxed the stroller and car seat, as well as installed our car seat inside of our car. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions or any comments. Just make sure they're nice, please. Anyways, we'll go ahead and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.